Hello awesome people, welcome back to my channel Seun Online Hustle. It's awesome having you here today. In today's video I'll be discussing how to create a working PayPal account in Nigeria. What is PayPal? PayPal is an online gateway system that helps you receive payment and send payment safe and secure. Yes, with PayPal you can receive payment from anywhere in the world into your PayPal account, and you can withdraw it into your local bank account. But there's a barrier in PayPal. What is the barrier? There are some countries that are not allowed to access some features. Nigeria is one of those countries. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you step by step how to create a working PayPal account that you can receive payment and also send payment. So before I go to my phone screen showing you step by step how to do that, all I need for you is that if you are not connected with me or you are not connected to this channel, you are missing a lot. So all you need to do is to click the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, drop a comment, and remember to always give every video on this channel a thumb up. And if you want to contact me directly, you have a question or you want me to guide you, in some area, it is free. Yeah, it is free. You can go to the description box, then locate my WhatsApp link, then send me a message. I will respond to you then. So I'll be going to my phone screen now and showing you step by step how to create a working PayPal account. And in other videos, I'll also be showing you some other payment gateway you can use, like Pioneer and the likes. So stay tuned and follow me. Welcome everyone. Welcome to my screen. I'll be showing you step by step guide on how to open a PayPal account in Nigeria. Remember I said something that there's a barrier some country has to opening a PayPal account, and Nigeria is one of those countries. So because of that, there are some features we can't access as a Nigerian if you want to open a PayPal account. So I'll be showing you step by step how to overcome that limitation or the barrier. So let me open my browser, and let me show you some. Let me just type PayPal.com/Nigeria NG, that's Nigeria. So for Nigerians, this is the PayPal account. Let me show you something. Click on menu. You can see here that we can only create a personal account, and with a personal account you can't send or withdraw payment. You can only receive payment and use your payment to buy something online. So many of you might have tried opening a PayPal account and also face this barrier, face this limitation. But I'll be showing this video how to escape this barrier and open a proper PayPal account that can send and withdraw money. You won't just only receive money, you can also send money to others and withdraw your money. So let's go. So when you want to create the account, you go to your browser, you type PayPal.com/IS, and you click send. You'll see the difference here. So let's click on it. You can see the difference here. See, it shows personal, business, partner, and developers. So now we want to open a business account, not a personal account. You click on business. When you click on business, PayPal, and you can even make it desktop side. Okay, you can see here PayPal dispatches for business. You are looking for a complete payment solution or want to add PayPal as an extra payment method to your existing website. You have a smart solution that is right for your business. So let's move on, click on menu, click on business, and you can see all you can access opening a business account. So you click on get started. You can see set up a business account. So it requires you to put in your email first. Make sure you are using the email that is active. Make sure the email you are using is the active one, the one you receive email on regularly. So I'll be putting in my email here. Then I click continue. I put in the password. So you put in your password. Your password must be a strong password. Must be a mixture of letter and numbers. So I've done that. Now you can also add special character. Then click on continue. Yeah, so you can see these features here. The first box you see business contact. Ask for your first name and second name. A lot of people do have issue here when it comes to this. Make sure the name you are using is the name on your ID card, because people will get to a stage where they ask for verification. Verification either using your national ID card, your driving license, or your international passport. So any of those ID cards you are using, make sure the name you are using here must be the name that matches the name on your ID card that you'll be using, and the address you'll be using must be the address that matches the ID card you are using. So business name, okay, my name I meant to say, sorry, Solomon. You can see my name, business name here. Can just give it any name. Let me just use SEUN'S Online Hustle. That's the business name. So the next is the phone number. Make sure you're using your phone number. Before you select this phone number, you change the country here to Nigeria, or to the country no you are using, or the country you are, I meant to say, sorry, the country you are. For instance, Bangladesh is one of the country that can't access PayPal. So while you are filling in the number, make sure you remove the first 0. So, and again, another thing here, the address here must match the address on your ID card. So this address is not the address on my ID card, so let me just change it. I will change that. You put in your zip code and the state. So the state and the zip code does not match the one on my ID card, so I have to change that. I'll do that. And after doing that, you tick the agreement, then you click on agree and continue. But let me change in the address. So after clicking on agree, it brings you here and it shows the description of your business. I selected sole proprietorship. Now I advise you to do that also. You can choose anyone relating to your business. Choose sole proprietorship, then it asks me to. And the product and services, the keyword, and I choose management, consultancy, stuff like that. Now you can also choose anyone related to your niche. You can see website optional, country or region of incorporation optional. For these other aspects, put in my company's name, SEUN'S Online Hustle, or you can put in your name. This is statement name. So let me just use my company's name, SEUN'S Online Hustle. You can see it's even more longer, so I can just use my name to just shorten it. Solomon. Boom. Okay, then I click on continue. So yeah, it now shows you what you need to fix in date of birth. Make sure the date of birth you are using here is your date of birth, what you really have on your ID card, the date of birth you have on your ID card. So I'll be fixing that here. I'll come back. Nationality, I'll change. Look for Nigeria, I'll change to Nigeria. Then document, I have my national ID card. See, national ID card, you need your national ID card number. So I have to get that and fix that here. So you can see I'm done already. ID fixing everything I need to fix in. My date of birth, the country, you have to change it to Nigeria, the national ID card. You can see the kind of ID card I want to use. The national ID card, driver license, or my passport. So I'm going for national ID card. You can see my NIN number is there already. So you will notice something here. Under the phone number I used same as business phone number, and also for the address also you also use the same thing. And when you are done with everything, you just click on submit. Click on submit. Home address, same thing, everything. So I'm done creating my account. All I need to do is to log in to my account now. I'll log into my account. So I'm done fixing my password. I just log in. So you can see receive text message or have a call, so they have to send me verification on my phone number. So I click next to receive a text message. So when I receive the code, I'll just fix it here. So I received the code already. Then I click continue. Identity confirmed. Boom. Okay, so you can see this is my PayPal account. You can see at the top SEUN'S Online Hustle. So this is how to create a PayPal account in Nigeria. This is different from the normal PayPal account you will create with paypal.com/ng, that is using the Nigerian gateway. So I'm using another country's gateway to create a PayPal account. So this PayPal account, you can start getting payment on it. So in my next video, I'll show you things you can do online so as to make your PayPal account active, so you can start receiving payment on it immediately. And also I'll be showing how to link your local bank with your PayPal account so that you can withdraw your money in your local bank account. Isn't that awesome? So I want you to do something for me now. If you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to leave in the comment box telling me what you feel about this video, if it's okay. And if you want me to be more explanatory, just let me know.